So, Ladysaw, them have a thing with them say,
dance hard before you dance abroad. Right now, you come at everybody and I spill everybody beans, but you not talk about yourself. Cause how you expect to guide people, or want guide people to where you say a righteousness, yet still your family life mash up. Cause the reality is, people think say you're there foreign because you want to live a foreign, but it's the fact that you don't want to come back here because a problem where your own sister put you in. Now, before we even touch upon she have the lock for your head. But make we talk about your brother first. Video where them make with him. Or make about him, I should have said. And the reality is that a true. Because what you want to tell the people them say is that you bring him up in a chance yard after him rape woman over in a Portmore. Lock up and figure get charged. And you bribe the woman and bribe who arrest the brother and bring him up in a chance yard. And him never stop there. Because him try to rape off your own daughter to one tell him say, yeah, bring the little girl to school. The brother try to rape her off. And you can't deny that, Ladysaw. And him never stop there, because him try to rape off one your maid too, and your father have to get involved. So basically, you know say the brother is a rapist and a menace, yet still, you have them around. You have him around. And him have this little Rasta bridging where always a come on yard, and you know the Rasta bridging too. Actually go on your yard, and in a middle night, I walk around the house with buckler sprinkle right around the house. And I hear brother bridging. So what guy do? Guy tie himself down. Tie him by you. Because me know them brother there now. And seriously, it's just waste people them there. The amount of me here say, you do for them brother there, I just waste that. And I think when I know say, one of the two youth where you adapt, will live up there. Every day, your brother trouble the youth. And I know just know, them are trouble the youth them. Because them see one try to kill you off, make you sign over your house. You say you sign over your house with the youth them. Because you find out say the same people them are try to kill you off and put things in your food and walk over upon you. You know this lady, sir. So you go sign the house over to the youth them and them hate the youth them. So every minute them find something for frame the youth them, and because them control your head, you know business with the youth them, you cuss them out and run them out. Now the youth they up there and the youth at work. And him not stand up in anybody way. Him try to avoid certain things. Because him know how film thing function. And the youth there with him 1 month old baby. And your brother trouble youth and follow up the youth with the razor boy when he cut you all of them thing there. And getting a big thing till the youth call police. And what you do? You give youth eviction notice with him 1 month old baby. And the funny thing is, you tell your brother if you come out to no. And what your brother tell you say, you forget your bad man friend them and police to come take him out. Because him not going nowhere. But the youth have left. And I call the youth, call my son. Because him and them are virgin. Ask him, yo, say if him can't put him up, because you run him out. And him send the eviction notice, come give me son. And him say, yo, brother, on a serious level, if that serious, you really have to come out. Him say, yes, him have to come out. But we could put him up. Yeah, we have our issues for our own to deal with. But yeah, you ladies are run out the youth out of the yard where he live, figure out where we don't know. All because of your Obeah working rapist, brother. People have a life and just tie themselves down by you. Yet you can't address that, but you come out a road and I tell people how to do for them thing and try and live for them life. Yet you're one in a shambles. You can't even make a conclusive decision in your own family. Because you not even listen to the youth. You don't listen to them none at all. You never ever listen to them. You ever dog them up and the youth them back. You never listen to the youth them. And you will come and talk about say you give youth them opportunities and rare. But if you give the youth them opportunities, how come you make you and your same family them block down the youth them? And every time the youth them a try, you know, destabilize them. Everything in the ladies, you know everything in kind of more than once we have to put up a youth, you know. Bigger one, where my family them have to put up in a watch when you're a youth and a college to try and get him certificate for hospitality. And because your sister, your same sister, left from Kingston, come down there and cause chaos. And make the youth have to stop going to school and you run out the youth, you not deal with him.